Sompa TV Sone Yadawasi Amawajo and then you bring some not Dawson and the Adeba. Yura or say ya would do to my swap for here, Mumasua on some so or then some be a tuja. Now a dear some and a walker. Yadimuasam a bro and ne and you may. Yadika church the more at the Ato say as Antimura, Betana Kunyakasia sono. And Fisia Edunu enumine. Na a mamrenia mania efrasia. And you may Yadimuasam be a bro. Yura Kofia Dams at the Atuja or Tresse. Akwan hodo ya wo hyase no MPP aban ba ye no omato no jejemu ya won pese obeto aso de ensem na eka ho enanwumre ye de nyina no bro sanso so na Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam omen sana hene wakopiemu ewo USA na wode nsem bi tudwade nyina no eye ayonkofa ye betimi aboa ma ye sika ne ka hodo ye de ndetimatua na emu asem no anwumre ye de bi bro no hu sade niema esi etie na ye bekọ kwada so wo Asante Mantam hase woni a oton jene etrese nyame anim nie baabi ampanifo se wonko ebi mo aye omadwe se nyaade se obekọ na aka ho bi ma bambo agina tukomo mpanifo akohodo mo a ene esewani ensa wo ka kire yede mu asem ebrew ene anwumrei enkramantam no ndo oboabo adoma no edema NDC amanyo ekuno yewura Ambrose Blessing ena kasai na wode nsam bitudwa efa de opese ne manfo to abanma na okopiem omrase badwam ewo NPP amanyo ekuno etimu wode nsam bi ene sobo bi ya approach sam nyina abamu yede mu asem ebrew yewura Alan Kwadwo Chermaten na chitaafo ehon sensam bi ewo ha ya omotrese omanya line no se NPP amanyo ekuno pese otuatua sika bi de fa che seba ya obetimi agyae yewura Allah na Kwadwo Chermaten ya wodi na chi no na wabetai MPP amanyo ekuno chi no wadi nkunim nyame ya dom a 2024 anwumre nsam bi ka ho yade mu nyina so enchechiremu ebrew na marase badwane de ma adese ya ewo asu jaman no achi DC ane assembly members ahodo so waka ede apom na ka waka bom no den na anamomben na watu ede afa ho ensam no pi ka ho a enanwumre no yasin kunwan yade brew se anwumre no nsabrum kase ewo Sompa TV so ye live ewo Facebook www.sompafmonline.com www.sompafmonline.com sanso so na woni a wo Asante Mantam Kropo Kumasemu etie bi ewo Sompa 93.1 FM wo tie bi ewo Sompa 93.1 FM wa na eya Asante Mantam Kropo Kumasemu sanso so na woni a owo bono ne po FM etie bi ewo Sompa 90.7 Sompa 90.7 woni a ewo sunwane na afen so hafo ene ne mpotamu etie bi ewo Sompa 98.9 Sompa 98.9 botima di achi ama de wo bia so nya bia hwe ma wanya bia kenkan anwumre yi 5G mizo de ya fra ne de yemfa ya daroma ene yasinko yesanso so na ayam timni sisi de ne koko ya ha wadwe no ya fra heba center no dura ya fra ne se koko master ene yi wudi afrisa hawo ene amane no emu anwumre yi nyame ya adoma wo kena boabo ho na fo ne kirem e 21st clinic nkrobata bi e bewo na ye ma wapomden papa sciatica expert no woni ye ne ankasa anwumre yi wona daroma ne yasinkunwa ye de ensam no ebre na kwabna kase na anwumre yi woni medi ehyiamu yi omai sana hene ena kasai na yen sakra ne beko omai sana hene ho no yen ko omai so for hwe enwomasua eho ensem so Dr. Oseyawo Adutwum na wotwe awieye na okopiemu na ebra okopiemu ewo Sunwane Technical University ho na esewone ensesa wo ka kire kura ne nyina no eyese na adesuafo ya wabaje ntete awie na woye akwankwaja som na wode agya won kwan emu mma na afenso emu emema na fi asemtia na edaso enese yenam abafu nimdie nyansa nto aso so ne atimi abo ne yi mpempenso a mabru nya adwuma nye no ede afri ho ebra yewura Oseyawo Adutwum ekopiemu ho no ensam pi ana wode etudwa na adesuafo baje ntete no na kire se abosobode awodo bi ya obje ye no na ebikura HND ene ne ya ekeka ho ne nyina no eyade a okomonte so no wode ekoya adwuma seba ye betimi abo wo nyansa ene wo no adwene mu na enkontabo kakra ewomu ene se wohwe emma afam ena afenso emema no afamu a emema no eye 773 ahanson adioson miensa ya wode ko hamu chichemu a na eye 41.5% ya kyerese eko nanimu sanso na emu mema so ne ma nyina so eka ho bebiri ya kyerese ewura ekopiemu ho na wode nsam we na tudwa
to develop our nation and to ensure that our generation will be the generation that transform the fortunes of this country. I believe the better days of Ghana is ahead of us and not behind us. I don't believe in the slash and burn politics. The politics that says I want to make sure my opponent, the other party, will look so bad so that voters will not vote for him or vote for them. So that even if I don't do anything, I'll still look good in the eyes of the voters. That is the bane of our society. Politicians should come to us and tell us what they want to do and not what somebody did wrong. We need to change the course of history of this country. So everything I'm showing you through my evidence-based communication is to convince you of one thing. That if we work hard and have hope in this nation, we'll see opportunities, we'll work together, we create a new story. The story of a nation that came together and did better than what the first generation, the second generation of post-independence Ghanaians did. Once upon a time, there was a group of people that are called the greatest generation of Ghanaians. Uneducated folks who responded to the government's introduction of guaranteed price for cocoa, taking cue from Tete Kwasi and the small plantation that he had done in the Kwapim. Farmers from Ashanti, from Bono and other areas, little or no education, decided to leave the comfort of their homes and travel to various parts of the country. From Ashanti, some people went to Asante Achim area. They started their farms. From Krofa, they built their cocoa farms. And that is why I detest the political slash and burn. Instead of saying that this party has
Dr. Osaya Waduchu Momain Swafo here ngumesua ho nsem so na dwumadie no ase no Maame Justina Owusu Banahene Broma ntem no Swafo na wo wase ono so nsem ni.
Face of this challenge lies an opportunity which is a pathway paved with technical and professional skills training. Here in Sunyani Technical University, we believe and understand the transformative power of education, particularly in equipping our youth with the necessary skills to thrive in the contemporary dynamic job markets. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as government, our commitment to providing quality technical education remains unwavering, driven by the belief that we can address the scourge of youth unemployment. In view of this, to the graduating class of today, you stand as beacons of hope in a time of uncertainty. Armed with the knowledge and skills acquired during your time here in Sunyani Technical University, you possess the tools to not only secure gainful employment for yourselves, but also to become agents of change by re-engineering the faculties of the society towards technical and professional education. As you step outside the walls of the Sunyani Technical University, the world is waiting for you for your service to contribute significantly to the socio-economic development of this very country. I urge you to embrace the spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship. Seek out opportunities to apply your knowledge, skills, creativity, and never underestimate the value of hard work and perseverance. It's my fervent belief.
Maame Justina Owusu Banahene Broma ntem no Swafo na yetene nkan Dr. Mohammed Ami Adam no ye oman sanahene no akopie mu ewo Washington DC ya ne nyina no ye oman sikasem na ede na akopie mu ewo ho sade mu nyina mo nim se yadwa atoa IMF se omwa ye we sikasem na nya na mu papa bi enyina so no ade no emu nkomobo ene de na akopie mu ho na nhyemude na se no wato no bo asa akyerem de ntia akopie mu ho ene mfasode a nyame ya adom obafia Ghana ebenya ede afri mu.
Remarkable performance resulted in the successful the discussions that we had with the IMF mission when they came to Ghana, leading to us securing a staff level agreement. And by securing a staff level agreement, it means that we are ready to go through the second review of the fund. And I'm very confident that with the performance we have shown so far, the board, when it meets somewhere in June, will approve Ghana's second review, paving way for disbursement of 360 million US dollars, and that would have brought total disbursement to 1.5 billion United States dollars. This is remarkable, because many people thought that with the kind of difficulties that we faced in our economy, because of the external shocks, but also because of domestic vulnerabilities. We were not going to be successful with the implementation of the policies that we negotiated with the fund. But I can tell you that the fund is pretty happy. They are very positive about our performance, and we will continue to do the best we can under the leadership of our President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo.
Na enu achi wasade kakra so na nse yenka ne ho sensem se de wiase ne Ghana fo nyina nim no enu so okasa kakra e de fa ho.
The sector continues to be our Achilles heels, and the current outages is quite disturbing. We are not happy about it ourselves. But the problems in the energy sector have accumulated for years. We have addressed some of these challenges, but some of them are also emerging that needs immediate attention. And so under the leadership of His Excellency the President, we have agreed to a number of measures that we have started implementing. And in due course, very, very soon, the people of Ghana will see the results of these interventions, particularly the cash waterfall mechanism, which faced some challenges, is being repositioned to deliver and to achieve its objective. The revenue collection by ECG really has improved, but we haven't gotten to where we want to get to. We want ECG to collect, to populate the cash waterfall mechanism to the levels that can provide cash flow or other issues.
Asante mabra betena akunya kase no so ne mfinsia aduono enumnie ba ne sane se manhia fikesie mu ne asante mema da jeni posokra mamre ne amane ahodo na ebetwa ede agu na dwumadie no ahyase ba ne se no a na kire se wone a wo akyirikyire ba bi eben obi ade na kyire mu asante mamu na wabehwe na ni so ade se de dwumadie no sese ne ade so tie no yewura transese ya manfo beko akwache na ade ba hema no ahodo beba annema bebre ana ebekoso na wode wani kyire mu ewo soame market hase no a oba hema ya wo hadwahema na chewa ono so to no bo ase kyirikyire mu sade niema esiko ene niema omdigu akwa mu
Sanya mana ya jaya tete aduane na ya die no akofa aba for die flour rice woni ni kunu akotna ho na wo we flour rice e yale ko an we dey o yu gu ni e tie sanya mana se e na tete aduane o mu sia no mu na bi na o mo wale en so se maintain so ati asante atume Bukasi ayati Bukasi from the Cairo, because the Bukasi Bukasi Jare, and they are the kitchen, and they are manipulating baby a friend of Bukasi. And you said, I am by a mommy for Jayasi. You were there, oh yes, and never my manager can tell Mamma Bukasi Jare. And they are catching you. They are doing your own Bukasi.
We swami dwahima ana yete nkan na ba hema no ahodo pi ana ebepi ase risk sanso na bantam no nyina na omo eka ho na yewura nso ekasai yente sade yewura kansa fae
zon so na yewura daaka ba woti ma dai amayo kofo ni yara yama ma no kwan ni mu mu bi lobo amagana mai agoso Você não sabe nenhuma, a mãe não é eu não pai não mano sabe eu não pensei eu não sabe primeiro é isso você não aí sabe na mama mais nada onde a minha cessade é da palma aí nera It was can't say, oh, sorry, what is it? I don't know. So then, so the who let's say, come on, Asaba, I'm not collaborating there. What was it? As I told you, as I told you. So now, you can't buy it now, Fanamahima, and they home to go to the Nahupon, Namukuya, and the Mumamasi, one was Papa.
Asante Mewura ena yetene kan Honorable Kofi Adam so yemra so bedwane de ma de sia ya ewo buem abaton pesua no so ewo oti mantamu ena wo tere se aban MPP aban ya na nado danko akufado de anim no ade bia sa kwan wo se de yo endi samanyoko no sha se bia no omoba omonto aso ya de se ehadwen ye pa woni ye nuaba akua nyakon abro no man na edi enkomo na oto awie yemi manti dwumade no so ena Kofi de sansem watudwa
akwan hunsema MP for beka say akwan nye duane a yedi enti wo se wo ya akwan a eno so ye duane na me hu say na omo encourage mpa emfa ma oman no because oman bia ni ho a akon enima enye true infrastructure development. Number 1, roads. Enewu ko China asesa China nanka yeni mo bicycle no mutina mo be moto yi eno mo akọ mo enima mo ni America itumekunu because they invested heavily in road infrastructure. Key among the key infrastructure omo focus is so much in any akwan. Because allow movement omo sheda tracy na omo friend the Silk Route building the certain transmodal transportation system, but the focus was there omubenya good roads. And the abra before she so mubisa said now musi mo ya akwan eduane a ye diana akwan ma eduane dru nipa immediately and quick. Akwan no nya omo nye eduane no at a certain center no e ma eduane bo no ye den ekosro. Okay. Because in Ukofa body from say maybe say Domao, say him facade na body no was so much. Now they ba sunyani ha. Na say kwa no nya. E kwa enyenti ebe cost no more. Enti e cost no more ebe ma body any bon aye din e wo market. Then say kwa no so good. Now the part and say or the speed be maybe or 60 kilometers per hour. So no the befa the entire route no apart from maybe a over kroma or say the speed no be down kakra.
Me mind dwumade no so Yewura Kofi Adam se ne akuanya akwa abro no ma ne disa enkomo ya fe ye ba santimanta crop okuma so ne ye giremu e wo kwada so woni e wo ton je ne e wo kwada so de ene wahunu wani so ade pa mema ma ne aprosifo na afen so asrafo manim ne santa adane a mpanifo aka kire omo se omo mprin kwa animu ba bi kura ye de ama omo na omo nkoya adwuma no omo nkoton ne ma omo ton no na omo nyae se de bia omo ha no de ntia mpanifo ka so omo nko ne se omo a enkwa na omo bɔ ho ban ene sen na nsem hweye a akwanhya bi si ya akase kura ye kyekire mu kire mu na eya asefem ne ayro ho sempa ye maame bi onya mfinsia no aduana num ya ka atwifa no so no kire se ka tentente e kofa je ne firi nije ene me ya hodo ban eba omu yi niema na no mapake cars no kwan ho saa ba ne sa no a untimi nko ene watimi aba na eyade se eha manfo adwen pa ne sa yintimpanifo atena se hu se wo se yi je ne fo no firi wo sabe ya wo matimi akọ ba bi e fe wo sa twemata chima na wo makohwe na wo matimi aye adwuma na so mbekọ so monko ebi mu se ye bekọ bi se ye nko na wone ye waso odene de enum hu asrafo ne sabi aprosifo no so ho se wo mabekeka ho kakra e wo ho owura Solomon Kofi Apanga wone ne kasa de madwadifo no nasamni
business aye no yedim say eboa ye nyina na ye nyina so ye Ghanaians na ringa minister kaye no yeti asema o kan say that most of omo amwo ha na ye foreigners and yes sir because me am dina ho no ye free upper east and ye Ghanaians ye real Ghanaians though ye omo ye gawo for but I cannot confirm say omo ye foreigner because in Ghana say omo Ghana mamua say we are Ghanaian. Most of go for now who are more Hano, most of them know we are Ghanaians because who are more ha. To me confirm say we are foreigners. A part on a Regna Minister NDC say. Accra Regna Minister were two in for Accra. What the Agubrisino, what the Bomamu, Emma Equa ye as I say Emma Mukama, and I was to me Emma Musika say, oh, Mukono, Babia Mukono, meaning say, Mubasa, Munema Echo, Munji 800,000 Ghana cedis, Namontiminfa, Muniama, Mumma, Penufo NT, 24 NT, say, Nicola on the pan chow, the Yamiti pan chow, one my America class, say, baby, 1 week, 2 weeks, and 1 month, and then 2 years, because we share Sky Wojomoha, Obuha, or to you obey task 15, and now we say a car back one, and yes, that is one or we're going to say car back of flyer, the empire say 2 billion, not 3 billion, for an hour task 15. And yet, if you say, what to be as I is, you know, the book that is Siana, 3 years, I is media for
and what's he a very funny being so a Kasai.
Because I'm better than thousand something now. I knew to be a farmer and anything from there. Take a picture of them. And I said, go be my head. Now, we are calling their uncle see you. Well, we have a when you
Abusia ye koye nimo ewo ensamfo from na Greater Accra Youth Organizer adema NDC amanyoko no Amos Blessing Ambrose ena o kasai ebra aprosifo eyere no na ne nyina no wo kyerkyere mu se wono de duadua mu odua e wo de si na betre so no mfa so boro emo obia so bono do de bono eye mame ama dokua ono a ne sese kyiri se mame no ade akoda tesa na aprosifo se wono se wo de nitiri be boro twene enti sabi obi se wo de nitiri be boro twene a wo ntena ho e ma ne nkwa ya ansa na wato nsa de afre aprosifo enti aprosifo metie na asem bi ma na mpa aprosifo ti asem na kyese ho akohia se wo so to nsa afre Ewura Ambrose Blessing na oba no busa ne nsem ba ko mienu miensa bi na omdi ten ne kakra na no mu ono Ewura ide nsem bebre e na atodwa
osi wabaye complain wa hanom say youth organizer no threaten say obeku and a police for no to suffer and say no umbra enti as obi a oye assemblyman oburu ho a oji mra no so dey obai say etie nie complaints ya fa na yehwe nkrata no ne wo mu say Lupi actually say youth organizer and I catch face to face Obekunu before the election. But the other allegations, in Sema or seeing for a catch them, says Anna, youth organizer. But youth organizer.
Na yebusa emos se ede asempa na woka na wose bra asema meka ye nyina no ene se me no ma me hunu se opese oboabo nipa no fra chiri na omoba ba bia wono pese osini manfo anam se marase bedwane no na ombe register se ba ye a ombenya kwano mato oba de ma na asema bra meka ye nyina ni o so ma process ayire me dan kana isa na entie no
enti no nkra bi ani the police for no tutu na no wie no omo afa ni statement and omo granting the bill say Wednesday 10 a.m. in Sompa. And at this stage, it's still at the allegation stage. You do baby, was say you obey allegation or didn't evidence the ban. Now you do what you saw. Now I didn't know very well. Say, Lupia no ni, and yet, only anti Okabe of a baby neighbor or the MP baby. Say, and Kagana Marani, you may hear me, Yenti, MP baby. Now I jump for now. We are now about constituency for us about contest. Now I'm put here and no point higher because Abraham was city MP grant on power grant. AGC. I say CIN. This on Waba. Of course, every constituency also will file a candidate, so it's right for them to file candidate. By a limited registration exercise, he is 37. And knowing the youth organizer, how forceful he is when it comes to some of these things. So it's just one of the mischief or conceivers in order to tame him or in order to intimidate the youth of Okankwe North. Not to, their plan is on the passing from constituency or also Okankwe North register because she foresees the resistance in Tinope. So we'll throw this one in to intimidate people. But I want to assure him, I want to assure her, it won't happen. The people of Okankwe North who are legitimate residents of Okankwe North who register and vote. No single individual outside Okankwe. Say no hunting no yes say the end and
Sompa TV so na o hwe enwumre no nsiabrem kase na eguso a yede ema wo no Sompa 90.7 ewo bono na po FM Sompa 90.7 ewo bono na po FM eno achi Sompa 98.9 Sompa 98.9 ewo sunwane na afa so hafo ene ne mpotamu wani a wo santimantan kropo kumasemo etie bi ewo Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 93.1 FM live ewo Facebook www.sompafmonline.com www.sompafmonline.com wudi achi ade ekobia nso nyina ene yakabomu a yede ensam no ebrɛ umrase betwane de ma de hye ya ewo asiujaman ana afenso DC de ma de hye ya wo mpotam honum ana afenso assembly members ahodo ya ewo Northton honum ne mpotam ho nyina no ena aka wo ho abomu na wo mo kyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ akwanhia ya esiye ewo tema mpakadan kwantempo no so no amanfo bia frase ya kyerɛ sɛ wo ye na manwosam keteke yi ehun sensem akoya manwosam ten na no mom no mo kyerɛ sɛ Ghana ha sɛ ne sɛ koye sa manwosam sa na ba bi egusie ni free pa no unya daje kra no wadum engusie no anase bi wapam engusie no na ensrama produce sa engusie no watimi ehunu bi nyina no yade ha dwen wo mo srada sɛ asam no maye nye no amanwosam na ebra ye ne assembly member de ma de hye ye wo mpotem Honorable Abubakar Belko edi nkomo no ebusa ne sɛ wo pese mo kyerɛ sɛn.
It is not a route, an official route that vehicles travel through. But it was unfortunate that there was an underpass, which is a 3-meter height. When the driver was going to upload his blocks, as they said, from a railway track, he managed to pass there. But because of the height of the underpass, on his way back, he wanted to pass through the rail line and cross to the other side. Because when he was going, his car was crashed by the bridge. And so it's an unfortunate incident. And then while the driver passed the route he uses when he was coming back, he was unauthorized, and this was what led to the accident. It's not an underpass, though. The underpass is what they have already done. Initially we had a variety of meetings with them. We were demanding for an overpass that will help the movement for the community, for the students, the vehicles, goods carrying vehicles, and all other persons. But they said they could not do that because of the levels of the route they are doing. So they promised us that upon completing the road, they were going to fix the pavement, close to where the underpass is, where heavy trucks can pass, and then the smaller vehicles can use the underpass. But as they almost finished with the project, or they are done with the project, we haven't seen that. I've been seeing him as a driver since we are all living in the same town, but I don't know him details, but I know him as a driver. To have a discussion after the incident, the district chief executive for the area was also here, and so he told me he's arranging a meeting so that we meet the contractors of the railway and then GRO and possibly the railway minister, and we see how best we can solve this problem. The community is very, very worried because there's that point where this accident happened. That is where most of the community people from the other side, that is where they used to walk over because it's a shortcut for them. The students, people who need water, people who go to market, and a whole lot of, because the diversion of the underpass, it was far from the community. The community was just an adjoining community, and then because of the railway came to divide the community, and where the road was supposed to be, they told us they could not do an overpass there for us, so they diverted the road to another place. So if you are going, you have to pass through a distance, then you come back. So most of the students, even maybe this morning, if we have students going to school, we apply this shortcut because that immediately they cross there, then they are in the other community, which is very, very dangerous.
Nyame ya adumu a ya wada ya edi yenanimu yi adwadifo ya ewokagetia etrese Ghana ni wiase nyina nkanka ne wone owa santemam enhwe won anim efiri se woyekere bi a ombeye no ebikura bi nsia santemam da enesen wo mo kere se sede nkane no esi enyina so no egu onnyuma enne ansa kra na wobeton ade a wobenya 5 million na bra wabere no edwomo so nkane na yede bibia na enema wobeton empo bosome no light bay ya wobetua no abusua echen wo dwatere kura wo didi dwa ewo ekrom honum no anase bia kegetia honum no ninga no yade a ehatwen na omo kyerese omo boabo omo tententententen nyame ya adomo a ene ampaya ebedwa Pastor Eric Oseboache oka woni a woye edwadifo no na omo ani abre ya omo atiemu no tiensem ode ama yene
lighter eduya eno demonstration here because last thing you know say ebi mo say perifero oba diskano ebi mo say doni na oye kegetia I will see you know. So we just go on. I may be so say. The friend says, "Sikana yitiano, the car. Enti problem enti ma chako ECG." Now Obama young will say, "I dear opportunity Obama care like me. No one care kai dear. The problem I don't know. I know the effect of ECG ko find out because Obia tian be keje tia one tia be na. Ya ba two shop ni. Ya ba two shop no. Ejeni kwankura enitia yedeka ejawose kwanyisi nyiro bayi kwankura yedeka ye kwankura arikonti yedeka because kenetia the nimuni say we dia obea yebeto shop tutia ansa na bi shop mama ejeni kwankura dia mai yedeka ye ti say bodi atuja ya titino mfome ya titino mfamo say obo say yedeka 75 billion o kenetia almost a car, you know, so wa major, Oma, 1 year, 1 year, so up to now, already we see tomorrow. Already we see the show. And the Oma, you actually people, your parents say, yeah, tomorrow, Oma, and nobody may show. Oma, young woman, and some kind let me a problem, I say, you're going to see you. No, Mama, you a quantity of the car. So, we know that you are complaining of any jack, and I said, a fire to come by. No, Mama, the problem because it might show a receipt. We need the answer of the same here. Yet, Obia, okay, Tia, will dig a piano. Over much as you receipt, I said, don't be over your baby, chair. And that's why I buy a money bay, or much bay, or money bay, or money bay, or money bay for fiber. Match day, or the match bay, match day, no more, mommy, 2.64. You are what the mammy, no, the amendment, no, dear, you have say. Yama demonstration the banamita I mean need demonstration be aye. Obi anya meter any demonstration be aye. Ye call commander ya call regional minister or ye letter ko to ye letter ko to commander o. Say na ko po ya aduma. O mama ye kwai demonstration because any break. Ye wuti de ye kasa. Ye wanwu ye bo kejetia obi atumi so pre. Ya yankwa enye obi kejetia. 3 years ni Obianwa, what you might be said, or Boyada. They say, Brigadier Commander was say, past 3 years, 3 years the chamber, not honorary or a commander. You call one of our central, you call one who can take case we are. and on a very regional commander. And this asking me as a copy.
Abusia ye koya nimu wo ensamfoforo emu na wotwe awie ye enipa maako oha ene enum ya wode wo mofa mu emfinsia maako miensa se adepam yempam ade utimi sampa ade na sen ho ya yapam kama ma na afenso mema ya woje santetie ni wie ye e wotepa wasantemantem hase no wode won sohwe ya etwato na wo pon ho akoya adwuma nyina so tintim so na dwumade no ase no na esewoni ensa wo ka kire kura nipa num bi ekire kwan ofa so suaye ne emu odene wo kwa adwuma kura emu odene bi fa fom ne ade ne nyina no ye haw ne amane bi a wonamu na ebra dwumade no ekoso ewotepa zone 1 honum no yenuanom nkabom kuyi omo kire se oma bre nanso so no ba bi oma beduri aseda eno mde ma nyankropon se waye omatom ne mfinsia miensa kwantui omde aba na wiye opani ya ujira mu nsam twerofo ekasa yen ewura Ibrahim Aziz Bright wana ye dwomtani edema enuanom a waje ntete ma ne mema fam wonkabom kuru ne nsam a wode ma ye ne
mse bebedi chairman we ni second timer mentor exams and then ada fesu ni no aye nti e chemu ni no ya ba for da mra ana ne so ya ba example so say man with me aye because about night mo Jimmy Nsa kama na so say so ya so no who say aflan so was so say with me about one thing na so aba prayer and also with my certificate na only aba prayer I don't think na you have said you be boy am na e bo mo chi bo they are man bit na ya am say we I mean just compare so mo na ya obia Filipino
na enuachi owuraire Margaret Nate wono so na ye coordinator edema wo mo ne nsam a wode ma nsam trofoni
abeka apenda we so na ye na ye dia to that's like aban ane municipal before any no center and eduma sam na ye din ankrano so adoso so tinta uniform aban school tari amodi ko be di papa ye best so mo family ye mensin na ya so ye ho so see your mensin ma ye tia ani am bi pa be mo katanga nde aban so mo ayo saadi na this is am be say aban abesi ye exam to a na center ha no abono ala so mai enti aba so ye seba o mo share kakra
ensohwe no mu no owura kwadwo frimpon o ye examiner ono na behwe bibia e wo ensohwe na omo yenum ne nsam a ono so de ma ye ne
examiner ha mo GTD ni sa te lesson association in prayer what is the witness ni ambassador so you so na plano oboda chi ni ni na ya soka ye so mo ajuna UBTI GTD so he declare no ye dia asinachi let's just say palano mwa moyo so ni se we be moyo say you trust is not mass mas security enyama utro ko se e banya go with you na monster kama budin kata achi ya ko himu tu enye gam don kuna ko kata ye you could be so it is GNTB true COVID program use keep with the nyampa who's it make your fire service police fire service prison officer na we are even for hukuma de o so tunya kwa ni tufu kwa ni hukuma pa e ya bawa wadachi ni wi
anwumere wunim shop bi a yeton mizo ho a mpacho ya fa ho ne kwagibe wate na ebeboa obesiesie unipadua no pa anwumere ya wo kodai wunya de ya fra ne de yemfra no a eja wo mpa Dr. Silas Adawro ma ba bia wonam bia no obunya dodo na atu dwumade bia nso a wudie bia no ba hia ni patom e wase no obi ase mizo 5G de ya fra ne de yemfra e wo ho o fra 0246270221 0246270221 221 nyame ya adoma wo chano pa pensionyunu bi bo na fo ni kyerɛ mu ɛwɔ 21st clinic yankrabata bi e ben wo ye ne sciatica expert ya kyerɛ mu yare a ye fɛ no sciatica no yare nka ye bi e ka ho bia nso ye ho adwuma efiri na amurom kosi wapampam enhwemu bia nso afa ni padua no ho bia nso ye ne kama yankrabata na dɔso 0540311311 0540311311 ofra e beje wo so na ya kyerɛ ba bi e ben na waba e ma refisa yem team sisi ya de koko na hawa bomadi bia da sa wo ne be kyerɛ mu e wo 3A Herbal Center na duro a your friend say koko master no ene na eboa na yem team sisi ya de koko no ayiwo e de afiri ho na ya hye no nso ya de no se onumu a na ayem team na hawa enya de se onumu a ebefa wo yem se de dan danu se yare nka ye bi ho no na se onumu bi a efa wo yafiri ho a e bia onumu aduro ne kogu yem pe afebo se na wo yem se bi na ahya se na ehwie ye de no de entesa pacho ya na wa hye no nso pa ba bi eto no bi tesa Mr. Heba calling na Gane Heba enu achi apedank uduru ho a wo so hwe for a Herbal Center na dura e friend say Coco Master 0546107107 0546107107 ya tun kreta oni abaiba nsempia ka kira erebesoso
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abasobo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketua wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho. 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic. Wo mu ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved. Sompa TV, Emma Akitiapa.
Eda wasena yama wakwaba ye kwa homa no so na ye ne Dr. Prince Obenhima wona national president edema sitag enen santwofo nhia mude bi akoso ye pese ye te nima bi ase yi pa efri se omama aban no akosi ebere bi na eye bereben ya ede e kura na omne aban no e ka ho asem yura so radio so dwenka ho
e kan so open kase
na wapo mi doctor
nyame adawo ma ye ho ye pa
and then some for shame ase no di mo so bo so a mo pese aban no te ya mo ma ne bere se nyame ya tomo a bosom we ewu a di ye ko wunde dika no aban no bete mo nka wada roma de ensem na akoso
opere kase na men chewa nyume na men chewa tifo eti onyina na menye correction ketu e bi se me din the prince Mr. Prince Obenhima na ni nyina mu no ye ba kai se National Labour Commission on the 2nd of May, the friends 2023, at the ruling people wanting an awards or the by after listening to us. Na Nina Muno, so article section 164, subsection 4 of the Labour Act, no. Essa Ubia Kete, so National Labour Commission, Edo Shaba Bontia. Edi nipa mbinu a kopie nanim nyina edi ya ya fem no mo ka say en call off your strike no edi some rise to call off the strike na Labour Commission na de oshebi nso to aban na nkofo so edi kan o ka say edi ja fon de abatu ya nim say wa ma wo aye nonkodwuma afimu nyina wa bro man kwadwo ma homa ahome enti omo demand for mpatajisika commission ne se tua bosome baako akatua ma teacher fo ni nyina eye sa adwuma no ebi no eno yenye eto so mienu was a staff auditor wo ya obetumi agina so aka se teacher ni we qualification we ni kura no we associate ne to ha no but what they say obewie no by 31st I think July or so na sebe ya obetumi ewi uwie nso a fine for chance ya free 3 January 2023 and also American was me yenye afa so ka say teacher for no kra no sika bi ana say wutua ma omo no book research allowance top up bi tua no so ka ho ni nyina anye in the ofia National Labor Commission about out the directives about out now almost 1 year ni aban comply no ha dwen but the ekuye kra no the time you call strike no aban freeze and salary na strike ni nyina twa no minister no e dey settle ne nkofo no so mo restore salary no then say dey agi tumu pa say sebe ya strike ko enye ye nkofo no akono nti no omo yo madwen say omo tua salary no mbe yi bi dey free me am no ka say ekuo no me na me so antwene me na me bon twene president salary no me dey no August no ye ntua betem ne nkofo no bebre ID echi ye ne omo koba members no salary akatua o I call strike na later no the resume strike ka see you salary no up to date ni nyina mu ntua maaye e to hwe we nyina na hu behia se ye de beba na Ghana fo behu ohawo ne benedi a ye kom na se de I friends here no abai ne be hwe no be implement the orders of the National Labor Commission se be ya ye beto ye etiano na ya ba out no
nti se mo twen na se aban no de ogina na wanka bibia amfa ho a wo ye kire no chi no de na ye hwe ani mu biem
ya me anim ni asam no de asam no ma de kura no se commission ne se hwehwemu na enkofo na ni omo kira de a omo ekura the same qualification enu anu ma e universities no ekura no extend the same because I treat them yenugu so apaso ayi mi se ba ko boy se na ba ko say etini say se enu ho na sa ban enti amfa here adwuma mean to me and decide say e be cause strike that me je your rank and file ni di but the structures of the situation ni di say you better take a decision as a factor say be ya e betumi ya na ka say be take a destiny into your hands na ebenya ye hwehwe
menim say answer na ye beduru enempempen so no body kan apuso aban na maka bibi di akere no ensam no amone aban no kan no ansene aban ni tirimu anase na emunya ne desa anase bia ne ho na akere no ntina opin na chikakra
opereke say no dem say aban na ebetumi atiremu akere because ye ebisa no say orders about out orders about out say dem kan no section 164 subsection 4 of the Labor Act nature say order never out also comply. So officer won't even comply. Kosiki appeal. Almost Siki appeal. Just they have no problem complying with the orders. And you know, yeah, they are question National Labor Commission crying him say orders now whatever out no. And go for them comply. And you know what that responsibility in the crown over high court. Now I court the orders. Now I compel almost said there. A teacher for call strike and say okay so omunko adwuma omunko so omunko utumi ka call high court no fa sa ho hare no ako high court high court orders na compel omo Labor Commission say you yate na ye be my legal team e ho nko up to date yate omunka enti ano na ene Ghana for eje so be ya bibi ekosi a Ghana for nka say ono kwano no strike ye omo de na omo hu obra ye kom ene ade na obatumi ate yase
bibi ti say na ye hwe anim se besie no
bibi ti say nti amaya ho up to 31st of May so by 31st of May na no ma ye kan nyina no entumi anto de a e dey no na futu a de be ma ye ho no e be Ghana for nyina ye ho futu kro
say na mo condition of service abanu nya meeting fama mo no hawo ni amane ben na mo nan mu sese e nura
hello
me busa say na de mu hia na ban no nyamfa emma mo no ohawo ne amane ben ena ne ma mu hia e wa adwuma no amoye mu nsankan no e de abra adwuma no amoye no
e de how be brave by so ye adwuma bible so adwuma eni bia fatara ketua ye adwuma esisie aban appreciate here. Just also more teacher for a college of education no. Ya boa mine pa. Ya na yet teacher for a better day of first cycle institutions. The teacher for net to me after nkwadai training nkwala na ma more requisite 21st century skills and competencies. So be ya we Ghana ni college na ho. Na we yi akwala o free UK ejina ho a. Omu nyina to me we pepepe. Sa no ma nyina ye na ehun akatu asese yedema ya no emma ya enye papa enne amene o ka se no ye members no ba ko yankopon ato nsa afre no yare no na ye sikasem se ya de a baby asese yede yeto ye sikasem ya so omode maye se ne saka ne sika ebia ewu se wo krade ankwanti benye then so no enko tumi akọ etwitwa ne ho eje ne ho kakra eto hwe sa no ma we nyina se ya ye adwuma na mpo ye salary a asese wo de maye see a cost strike into the victimized binom. Sayentia, and your how near Benedict be about yes.
Mira Prince, Mode Pain at 2 o'clock, so Moka can name a bomb namu to be free more. Because Benz is here, best send a movie here about the horses here.
No man will be brave or what? About they tell me to me, I can't sika yes because they say identify or more requisite qualification are comparable to all universities no. And your my staff for the Navy no more report that come Fair Wages and Salaries Commission. Now finance no. And one event who the totality of the amount involved. Yes, yeah, Juma members are involved in the all year round compensation no. So the data ne can GTEC and start. Now say omono friends data yeah they are what the quality no so kind. What the quality say ayira. It's something bebre. And only bet me who scanner ya can want them no. For now, there, as the Sikasem, we will not be able to tell, but we know that Abino is responsible to paying us and then giving us what is due us. After that, PCS on come out near Team Papa,
Ora Prince, obeying him, and a national president, Edema Setagusa, Yamboshina, young confirmed Mantamu, Embracia. Ewi asese wo da sori anopa na wote asem bia wotime busa se nti eya nokore asem a mo ka no eya nokura na nsem twerofo ankasa na mo ha hamoni na mo aka asem abusua asem a edamanim ya efrimfimfim mantamo ba no enya de a emu odekora ne nyina ene se owura bia ne mfie no ba se aduanan ekọ nanimu a adehye eda esori ya ba bia efro afrangua ya no ewo emfimfim mantamu ewo mfanseman municipality honum omo da sori ya Roman for asori bi ewo ehonum na asori da na nim rom hu se boto tenten bi etade hye emo ene ade no ano boto no eda ho na boto no eda ho se de nwansana si twa boto no husia no nyame anim nie enya de ya ahomeka ewo mu saa na yina hwe nim se ansa na aboa nwansana be gina ba bi fa ko no twa ne ho saa no na kire se wate ade bi a ne pampan no ene ade a wo hwehwe no ekonti ba saa na obetwa ho no mo ahia nwansa no ba na eba nwansa no ba na eba omo mutwa mu nso obi asuro se obekọ honom na ebinum anya akukuduro ebopin boto no ehwe ya na omo sane ano a owura bia ne mfie no ba se aduanan ene nanimu kakra no na omo suso yakunu a yede na beto honom yede na se boto no mu a yagire boto na no pempi na ebra omo bie mu no na kese emmoa kora fi sabi nanum ene na som ya eba akoye asefem sem eba na sanye se akoye aprosifo adwumanti assembly member de ma de se ya ewo important honum afangura lecturer area honum ene wo ka se ba bia osusu se owura no fire no omfiri important honum na osusu se hankofo nipa bonfo ekun ni firi ba bi ena omeda beto honum a kese akoye asefem spem sa na ebra wo cheche nsem kakra no ne nsem a owura Douglas ede ma ye no senete
bi was na shikotokum na was na boto kwanyendo. In fact, if I could not from my Yakasana, no Muhunde, police castle, Alpha direction or Baha, so to them, Minja born place, no, Minja one should be inside. Then she be the Mumbra. Can police car Muhunde, young brother, Alaji, Bofana, police castle, what's kind of more Nadmo. It's about 2 police from the me police from Wahana, Nadmo so bay. Nadmo for friend and BNI, you know what's up on when a benty. The Ohana Fra environmental for there. As a Macy Honey. ma for police from Puno Kofa, environmental from Obama, Obeyi, Obucha, Kotokunu. Before was the share bag in the moon, Obucha Kotokuna, and when they were being now a share top green, down, just down, top no t-shirt. Now, watch your dupe when you were t-shirt name. Now, Miss Mazinetino. Now, the name woman and name in South Seven, summer female. And seeing the two engine now, I don't know what the shabag man you can't see your quay. My was a body, no, was Aquashare friend then Cape Coast much of fun in Tibetan. It's one as he see our war investigation now. The bus ride the time will be able to say we pay. If you are a baby about 2 days, 3 days in the Bomazan Nefico in Tibetan, much in if you can question say beer or bear winning panel. And my Yim Masisiano, a Kaza binding semi, I bind about to one among Biara, Biden or Fata. 20 agents, I buy between from 36 to be a 43 within that range. No.
Awurade Nyankopɔn ohu ye mɔbɔ na utimi kɔ ebeduru fia na kyerɛ awurade na wo sa wode aseda ema no sa aseda ya bi nso ana yede ma ene anwumre sɛ baabi a wonam ene baabi a wode wani akyerem bia sɛ bia hoho bi na ɛbɛsra na sɛ bia wo na wokɔsra hoho bi a ema wo remfi sɛ baabi ba akɔpɛ na wo sɛ wode wani kyerem ɛwɔ hɔ is my kitchen na fa no kɔ no kodidi nyame ya adom a wo tobia ne ɛkyɛ wo bi kwa pizza ahodoɔ de ɛkɔ ne banku ahodoɔ ne fish ahodoɔ baabi kura wo hɔ no mu a wo kyerɛ nam no ane akye no wo pɛ ne fresh saa no a anase wo pɛ sɛ wankasa wo de kofie kɔ yɛ ho adwuma ne nyina no drinks ahodoɔ ɔman mu aduane ne amano de die nyina no is my kitchen ɛyɛ ho adwuma sɛ no nso da bia no mo ka kyerɛ wo sɛ wo bɛdidi amanate depa sɛ wampa wadidi ama wate ne depa de a is my kitchen restaurant ya ye ben traffic light in nchen ha ya stadium ha ya traffic light in nchen hope ane ebo is my kitchen is your kitchen is our kitchen 0248 865046 0248 865046 na ya je so nipa de wo ho a na wa express wo ho kakra express group efra wo sebra ya de wo kɔ amanone ɔman ahodoɔ bia ya wo pɛsɛ wo kɔ so no wo kosua de wo kɔ yɛ adwuma ade bia fa wa kwantuo ho nsɛm bia sɛ wo kɔduru ɔman no a wo pɛsɛ wo kɔ so na ɛyɛ bɔkɔ ɛde ma wo no de me pa kyɛw baabi a wo sɛ wo de wani kyerɛm no ɛyɛ express group ɔmo na ɛde wo kɔ ɛbra wo hawo ne amane bia ɛnto akwam na ade a wo kɔyɛ ɛwɔ saa man no so no wobɛtumi ayɛ no pɛpɛɛpɛ na wasa ba fie asomdue mu express group ni man ahodoɔ bia mantam no de ba bia wo bia no yɛ wɔ hɔ no me atrɛ sɛ wo frɛ yɛ ne a na yɛ no adi enkomo Kumase Asafo Labor runabout ho ye wo ho sanso na keneshi first light no a enkra ye ho no ya ye adwuma adenti na wo express ho nipa de wo express ho a eboa wo pa 0249 000444 and 0555 550067 na ya je so wona da roma na nwumre ya trase a ya de anwumre no nsia bro kase no brɛ wo e wo Sompa TV so wo san tie bi wo Sompa 90.7 e wo bono na po FM Sompa 90.7 e wo bono na po FM Sompa 98.9 e wo sunwane na afenso hafo ene ne mpotam Sompa 98.9 e wo sunwane na afenso hafo ene ne mpotam Sompa 93.1 FM e wo Kumase Sompa 93.1 FM e wo Kumase egina na ye kabo mu a anwumre ye de ensam no brɛ se anwumre no nsiabrem kase e wo Sompa television so yɛmfa sedama kuku a saa so na maame ya Grace news team ni nyina samufo pani e yewura Asante ye boa Benedict ɔno na anwumre ɔsa kase no mu e de maame na kwabra kase ni e da wase amawadwo sabre de ye be sɔre na asɛm pe nipa dwumadie no oforiso be ma ne dɔm no abɛtena se na de ho bia so ɔmo de asɔso e da wase amawadwo anwumre